Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco here, and in today's video we're going to talk about why Ripple thinks Coinbase should add XRP. So Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has said publicly that Ripple should be added to Coinbase and it's in Coinbase's interest to add Ripple. He's also said that Ripple is not a security, so Coinbase should be adding it soon. So guys, in this video we're going to look into detail about this news that is coming out, and we're going to look at some articles, what SEC's saying, to find out whether Coinbase will be adding XRP or not. So guys, before getting into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please scroll down and subscribe to my channel. I'll do price predictions, technical analysis, breaking news, the whole lot, to keep you guys safe in the crazy world of cryptocurrency money. From the feedback from my viewers and subscribers guys, I'll be doing shorter videos like 5-6 minutes, so you guys can get all the juicy information in short time, so you guys are well informed. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So Coinbase should add XRP and is not a security. So as we solve problems at scale for institutions, I think it's in Coinbase's interest to participate in that. I think it's clearly that XRP is not a security. XRP exists independent of Ripple and it would operate even if Ripple Labs failed. I don't think that our ownership of XRP gives us control. Saudi Arabia owns a lot of oil that doesn't give them control of oil. That's a good analogy that he's used, and the 4 reasons he's given for Ripple not being a security is: Ripple Labs do not have control of XRP. XRP is a utility token for payment processing. Ripple isn't proof of stake. So although Ripple Labs have a lot of XRP, it does not give Ripple Labs control over the Ripple blockchain network. And even if Ripple Labs fail, XRP would exist. So why is Coinbase still holding back? And it is the uncertainty of regulations, guys, because anyone who sold that off could be deemed an unregistered underwriter. If you sold someone an unregistered security, you are liable to them if they decide to take them to court. So because of this kind of this regulatory uncertainty, Coinbase is not taking that risk. But you could argue that Ethereum was only announced recently that it is not a security, and Ethereum was on Coinbase. So why did Coinbase take that risk with Ethereum and not with Ripple? So you could be asking yourself that question. And one thing I'd like to show you guys is what is deemed a security. Systems that rely on central actors whose efforts are key to the success of the enterprise would be subject to applications of the securities law. So as Ripple is deemed as centralized, it could be deemed as securities, because Ethereum is very decentralized, which helped kind of announce that Ether is probably not a security. So that's probably the other side of the story. Like I said, in my channel guys, I like to share with you the positives and the negatives, and I want you guys to think and make your own decisions. This is something funny that I found. There's all sorts of rumors going around. Coinbase and Ripple are American companies, and using Trump's mantra, make America great again, it's about time the two companies came together. I'm not American. My American viewers could probably comment on that. So the overview of SEC's position, SEC's positions on cryptocurrency. So you guys need to read this in detail, because this is what's stopping, the main reason what's stopping Coinbase from adding Ripple. Because as soon as it was announced Ether is not a security, Ethereum Classic was added. So it's really important to understand whether SEC deems Ripple to be security or not. They came out and announced that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. We need to find out whether Ripple is a security or not. But Brad Garlinghouse, guys, he's very positive on the future of cryptocurrency, and he keeps going on about that there is no similarity between Ripple and token securities. Tokens do not give you a guarantee of profit or dividends. They have only real benefits. So he is adamant that Ripple is not a security, guys. So 5 things to know from the SEC's big cryptocurrency announcement. That this speech isn't the law, but it might as well be. So it's nothing's confirmed yet. Utility is not the key. The oranges and whiskey example, so it's a really good example. I advise you guys to read this. But Ethereum is in the clear, and decentralization is key, whereas people are complaining Ripple is centralized and that's stopping Coinbase from adding it. And the thing is, guys, if there was regulatory certainty, then Coinbase could add Ripple. But there's other news that's going on in the background, which I'll come into in a bit. So Ripple is in the gray area, because if they've announced Ether and Bitcoin, why didn't they announce XRP? We believe that XRP likewise should not be classified as a security, and look forward to the confirmation from SEC. If we get that confirmation, there will definitely be a massive price increase. Some people are saying that Ripple, that in the background, it's already been accepted that Ripple is not a security and it will be added to Coinbase soon. I'm not saying go out and buy Ripple, but if that's the case, then Ripple's price will increase a lot. Also, guys, if you want to find out more about what is a security and what is not, read about Howey test. It will help you understand whether Ripple is a security or not. You can make up your own decisions and you can work your own arguments. Also, guys, Coinbase, this is older news, but Coinbase acquires financial services firm to become SEC regulated broker. This will allow them to add security. So this could mean that even if Ripple is classed as a security, they could still add Ripple and other cryptocurrencies. If you want my views, guys, this is not financial advice, just my thinking, guys. There are some people in the industry calling that Ripple will be added to Coinbase, and in the background they're already working on it. Brad Garlinghouse and Coinbase is working on it to add Ripple, and this is it's just time. It's just going to be moment of time before they announce that Ripple is not a security and Coinbase will be adding it. If you believe that, guys, you could be buying Ripple because it's a lot lower price than where it was. But I'm not saying whether that's going to happen or not. It's just something that could happen. If you want my views, guys, I think Ripple will be added to Coinbase, but it might not be added to Coinbase next. They might do it under the radar slightly, because Coinbase have said before the way they handled Bitcoin Cash wasn't great, so they might do it under the radar slightly. So they might add coins like EOS and then kind of add Ripple in the middle, because I believe Coinbase will be adding more than 1 or 2 coins this year. So they could be adding EOS or 0x and then Ripple, and then they might be adding VeChain or Quantum, or there are loads of rumors are going on which coins will be added next. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Ripple will be added to Coinbase? Do you think Ripple is a security? So those are my 2 questions, guys. If you think Ripple will be added to Coinbase, type in yes, and also comment below on your thoughts whether it's a security or not. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please scroll down and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to win half a Litecoin, guys, subscribe to my channel and leave your Litecoin address below. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.